Are aliens exist?
Did you know that we've been sending messages into space for over 40 years, yet we've never received a response? Doesn't that make you wonder, are we really alone? Imagine the vastness of the universe, its infinite galaxies and unexplored corners. It seems unlikely, doesn't it, that we are the only sentient beings in this cosmic expanse? But here's the question that'll keep you up at night. If aliens do exist, why haven't they responded to our calls? Let's dive deeper into this cosmic mystery. First, let's clarify what we mean by aliens. We're not talking about little green men or Hollywood monsters, we're talking about any form of life that originates outside Earth. Now, to understand the possibility of extraterrestrial life, we need to understand what life, as we know it, requires. At its most basic, life needs a stable environment, the right chemical components, and an energy source. Primarily, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, the building blocks of life as we know it. And in terms of energy, life on Earth relies on the sun. But what about life beyond Earth? Could these conditions exist elsewhere in the vast cosmos? Well, that's where exoplanets come into play. These are planets that orbit stars outside our own solar system. Over the past couple of decades, scientists have discovered thousands of these celestial bodies. Some of these exoplanets sit in what's known as the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone. Why Goldilocks? Because the conditions there are not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to potentially exist. And where there's water, there could be life. One of the most exciting discoveries in this regard is the exoplanet Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to us, orbiting in the habitable zone of the star Proxima Centauri. It's a tantalizing prospect that life could potentially exist on a planet only 4.2 light-years away. Another intriguing possibility is the moons of the gas giants in our own solar system. Moons like Europa, one of Jupiter's largest, which is believed to have a subsurface ocean of salty liquid water. Could these icy moons be a harbor for alien life? So, the potential for life beyond Earth is there. The ingredients are scattered across the universe, waiting to mix in the right conditions. We know life is tenacious and adaptable, able to survive in the harshest of environments. Given the vastness of the universe, it seems unlikely that we are alone. But if so, where is everybody? This brings us to the Fermi paradox, the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. The Fermi paradox is named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" during a conversation about the possibility of intelligent life in the universe. The paradox hinges on two contrasting concepts. On one hand, we have the Drake equation, a formula used to estimate the number of active, communicative, extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. The equation suggests that, given the vast number of stars and planets, it's highly likely that intelligent life exists elsewhere. On the other hand, we have the Great Silence, the fact that we've yet to detect any signs of this alleged life. This creates a perplexing contradiction. If there are so many potential civilizations out there, why haven't we heard from them? Many theories have been proposed to explain this paradox. Some suggest that we're not listening properly, or that we're not looking in the right places. Others propose that advanced civilizations might be avoiding us, either because they're observing us like we would observe animals in a zoo, or because they're wary of our potentially destructive tendencies. The truth is, we don't know why we haven't found evidence of extraterrestrial life yet, but the search continues. So, are we alone in the universe? The answer is, we don't know, but we're doing everything we can to find out. The universe is a vast expanse, teeming with billions of galaxies, each filled with countless stars and planets. The likelihood of life existing beyond our own planet is not only plausible, but also highly probable. Yet, the paradox presented by Enrico Fermi continues to baffle us. If there is life out there, why haven't we found it yet? Or why hasn't it found us? We've delved into the scientific theories, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and the intriguing evidence suggesting the possibility of life on other planets. But the truth remains elusive, shrouded in mystery. We continue our quest, exploring the cosmos, probing distant planets, and listening for signals from the stars. But until we find definitive proof, the existence of extraterrestrial life remains one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Perhaps one day, we'll finally get our answer.